Good morning, everybody. Happy Sunday. Thanks for waking up with us on this Easter morning. Meteorologist Robert Suhr taking another look at that forecast. We'll start things off with a little history lesson on Easter. It's been as warm as 87 in Bowling Green twice, 1910 and 1941. We woke up to a temperature, though, Easter Sunday, 1923 of just 19 degrees. Even saw a trace of snow in 2008. And this Easter is a complete anomaly because we are going to be colder today for our high than we were on Christmas when we were near 70. 25 degrees above normal Christmas Day just a few months ago, and today we're going to be below normal. Kind of the reversal of what you think it should be. Just you never know what the weather is going to throw at you. You can impress your family and friends at Easter dinner tonight with that little bit of a fun stat. Now, we had that front come through yesterday, bringing with it the rain showers and some thunder, giving about 4/10 of an inch in Bowling Green officially. Some spots saw a little more, some spots saw a little less, but regardless, beneficial rainfall that we did need because some spots, especially southwest parts of the area, are still quite dry. A noticeably cooler day today with a stiff northwesterly wind. It'll feel like it's mostly in the upper 40s for a good part of the day, but notice all that sunshine as we go through our Easter. Kids have an Easter egg hunt this afternoon. Make sure they've got a light jacket on to keep them comfortable. And it'll get chilly again tonight. We'll continue to see this northwesterly flow of air, and we'll see temperatures by Monday morning. Some of us in the upper 30s, the rest of us, though, in the lower 40s. And then not much of a rebound tomorrow, maybe 2 or 3 degrees warmer. We're going to get a reinforcing shot of cool air in here Monday night to cool us down for our Tuesday. So right around 60 today. Again, a below average day for our Easter Sunday, and you see those winds out of the northwest, 10 to 15 miles an hour, making it feel about 5 to 10 degrees cooler than the numbers that you see here. Tonight, we dip down into the upper 30s, maybe in the deepest of valleys where there's no wind. We could get a little patchy frost, but I think we should be in pretty good shape for Monday morning. That could change a little bit as we get deeper into the week. That reinforcing shot of cooler air, mid-50s on Tuesday. Notice mid-30s Tuesday night into Wednesday. So Wednesday morning, we could see a little bit of patchy frost again, the deepest of valleys. But then as we get into the second half of the upcoming work week, things start to warm back up.